How to simply set up the Touch ID on your Mac. So first step is to open the system settings on your Mac. Also make sure that you have this little button of your Mac so your computer is available to use the Touch ID. So open the system settings. Now we want to scroll down and find the Touch ID and password option. And here you will find the Touch ID option. Now I got the one finger set up. If you want to do it, so simply add fingerprint here. Now you have to enter your password and simply place your finger on this little button. So I'm gonna do it, so I'm gonna place it on this and you will see that it's setting up. So simply place it, hold it and lift your finger and repeat it. It will guide you step by step. Repeat it until it's done. You have to also position your finger to set up all correctly. So now the Touch ID is ready, simply click on done. And here is my second finger setup, and this was how to set up the Touch ID on your Mac. So now you can try to unlock your Mac with your finger. So I'm gonna do it so, and it was automatically unlocked using my Touch ID. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.